if you're happy paying endless fees to middlemen for token transactions. Because Flash USDT is changing the game. Supporting TRC20, ERC20, and BEP20. Flash USDT empowers crypto traders to bypass intermediaries entirely and take full control of their token operations. No hidden charges, no unnecessary commissions, absolutely zero blockchain fees. This powerful free tool puts token creation directly in your hands without third parties taking a cut of your profits. Backed by expert guidance from our Wilmington headquarters, everything runs smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Whether you want to generate or instantly purchase Flash USDT tokens, the choice is yours. Flash USDT TRC20 ERC20 BEP20. Take control. Skip the middlemen. Start today.